Hello everyone, Siglum here once again, and this time I decided to do a completely different video than the other gaming kind that I usually record and publish on YouTube. This is a C280. That's a straight 6 petrol engine from 1994, and it belongs to W202 class. And I've noticed on a bunch of videos that actually this exact model doesn't correspond with the instructions to how, for example, change the headlight light bulb. On most of the W202 models, it is configured this way. It's usually a cover for the connectors and light bulbs on every side, and this kind of looks different. So I decided to actually record a video in which I will show how to exactly change the light bulb. For example, in a bunch of videos it is explained that the most of the short headlights, not the long ones, require a H7 light bulb, and in this particular case it is different because this requires an H1 light bulb. So I'll show you exactly how to get to the compartment and actually change the light bulb. Okay, in my particular case the left one is good, but the right one is actually burned. So I will show you exactly how to get to the connectors. So if you see this plastic cover is actually a protection for the connectors and light bulbs in particular. So how to get to the connectors? It's quite easy. You can see these two metal clips that actually clip to the plastic cover, and all you got to do is move the left one and the right one to the side, to the opposite side, like this one and this one, and now you got to slowly wiggle it out. Because it's quite a tight space, because it's a large volume of the motor, and that's about it. And on this side we have all of the light bulbs. Some of this is position light, and some of this is actually the, how would I say, the indicator for the direction in which we are going, left or right. And this one is actually for the short light. As you can see, it's already disconnected because I disconnected it, and indeed this one was actually burned. And I will show you in a separate video how to actually install the right one. For example, I'll show you on this particular case. Every light bulb is actually the same regarding to the clips that hold it. You have to actually, as you can see, this small wire is connected to the one groove, metal groove, in which you have to push. Let me try it. You have to push the wire and then to the side, so it becomes loose. And when bringing it back on, you just clip it to the metal groove, and that's about it. Okay, apologies in advance for my, actually, some would say, pretty bad English, but I guess most of you will understand what I'm talking about. But the light bulb that we need for this case is this one, H1. Since it's the different color from the existing one, I will have to change the both light bulbs, and I think it goes in actually when facing the engine this way, so that the flat side is on the top. So all we have to do is get rid of this clip. Or maybe I'm mistaken. I think I'm mistaken. Okay, my apologies. It's not this way. This small, how would I say, metal part has to go into this, how would I say, orange hole. I'll try to position it so that you can see how it is placed. Okay. It's quite hard when you're working with one hand, but let me pause the video, and then when I put it in, that's what she said, I'll continue the video. Okay, let's continue the video. Actually, the flat side needs to go diagonally towards the engine compartment. I will show you, zoomed in. This way. Before placing the connector, you need to place the metal clip to actually secure it. And you see it has this little groove in which you have to push onto the outer side of the vehicle, as you can see, this way. And then all you have to do is actually connect this little connector to the contact, and that's about it. Let's see if it lights up. As you can see, this one has a little yellowish tint, and this has how would I say, I would say a colder light, so I will have to switch the left one as well. And that's about it. You place the plastic cover back on this way. I'll zoom out. Place the plastic cover back, clip it with the clips, and you're good to go. A famous Mercedes engineering at its best in those years, of course, the 90s and the 80s as well. So that's about it. Good luck with the future headlight bulb changes. Greetings and goodbye.